Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. I have been asked, how do you install Firefox on a brand new Windows machine? Well, this is actually really easy to do. All you need to do is go down to the bottom of your screen and click on this E logo, and this will open up Microsoft Edge. Once you're on Microsoft Edge, you now need to click on the top search box here and type in Firefox. You now need to click on the first link that says download Firefox, and this will take you to a website called mozilla.org. You now need to go ahead and press download now, and then you want to go save and run, and it will begin to install Firefox. Once the install has finished, it will now load up Firefox. And there we go, we now have Firefox on our computer. And it really is as easy as that. If you would like to make Firefox your default web browser, you need to go to the top right hand corner where the three lines are and click. And then you need to go down to Options. Once you're in Options, you now need to click on Make Default. And you now need to click on web browser and change Microsoft Edge to Firefox. And then we want to go switch anyway. And there we go, Firefox is now our default web browser. Also, another little thing I like to do is right click on Firefox down the bottom here and go pin to taskbar. And this will now pin it to our taskbar. So if I close down Firefox, it will remain down the bottom here. And you can easily just slide it all the way to the left if you want, and right click on Edge and go unpin from taskbar, and if we just close that down, there we go. Firefox is the only icon down there. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.